this so-called government with the difference, BJP, said in 2012 when they came back that they would send the regional plan back, that the regional plan would be scrapped. Now regional plan is kept in abeyance. Backdoor entry is coming now with the help of PDAs. Now to help whom? To help the alliance partners, help them. We are opposed to the PDAs. There is no question of we supporting PDAs. Regional plan, they cannot do. BJP could not do it for the last 5 years. This is the 6th year they can't do it. Our Congress party at least had a plan. You have to respect our decision. Maybe we have taken some decisions which people may not like, but we took a decision. See what is happening in the BJP. See this corrupt party, what is happening. See the massive level of corruption. The regional plan is kept in abeyance and PDAs are formed, so that construction activity can go on without the regional plan.
TCP मंत्री विजयान गोंयकारपण राखपाक शीम थारावची म्हूण आलेख्साचो सल्लो.
As far as Vijay is concerned, it is for him to decide what is good. I feel that he should take a call on this. I feel that somewhere he should draw a line. Now it's up to him where he draws the line.
PDA फोडटात म्हूण शिवसेना आवाज काडटा.
3 महिने पयलीं जेन्ना बाय इलेक्शन जाल्लें आनी जेन्ना बाबूश जेन्ना BJP भितर हाका गोवा फॉरवर्ड जॉइन जाल्ले तेन्ना ताका एक दिल्ली ती एक लाच. सो आमी आज ह्या ज्या गोष्टीन जे PDA स्प्लीट जाला म्हणटा ते आमचे जे स्टेटमेंट आमी केल्ले आमचे स्पोक्सपर्सनान ताजेर आज हें कन्फर्मेशन जाता. विजय सरदेसायचे मुद्दे जे आसा जे गोंयकारपण जे कितें ताणें गोवा फॉरवर्ड व्हरपा खातीर जे मुद्दे आसा मे बी आज ते खंयच मुद्दे ना. ते आज PDA करून जाका आमी चडांत चड करप्शनाचे हाजेर हें करतात तें सुद्दां आज ताका तो पाठिंबो दिता.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे आनी शिरीष कुंकळेकार.